Okay, children, now let us start with illustration 1. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. Capital at the beginning of the year, 1st April 2016, 2 lakhs. Capital at the end of the year, 31st March 2017, 3 lakh 50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year, 70,000, and drawings during the year, 40,000. We should write this with the format which we have learned. If we write the method using the format, if at all your answer is wrong, you can earn step marks. Now, how can we write this? The solution is, first write the heading. The heading given in the format is statement of profit or loss for the year ended, and write the end date. Where will you find the end date? From the sum, you look into the end date. Here it is 31st March. We know that we have only two kinds of financial year. One starts from Jan and ends in December. Other starts from April and ends in March. So our ending date will be either 31st March or 31st December. Now here it is given as 31st March 2017. Write it as the heading. Below, particulars and rupees. From the format, you write each and every item one after the other in a sequential manner. So first let us take closing capital. So closing capital as on 31/3/2017 is 3,50,000. Add drawings during the year, it is 40,000. When you add, you get 3,90,000. Less additional capital introduced during the year, it is 70,000. The answer which you get would be 3,20,000, which is termed as adjusted closing capital. Less opening capital as on 1/4/2016, 2 lakh. Now we get a positive value 1,20,000. If it is positive value, it is profit made during the year. If it is a negative value, it is loss made during the year. So this is the method to find this using the format. Whereas we have another one more shortcut method which is termed as T method. If you use this, if the answer is correct, you can get full mark, else no step mark will be provided in the exam. But still, this method will serve you to get full mark for your format method. So how to perform this? Let us see. Already I told you closing capital, drawings and loss, three items are on one side, and other side opening capital, additional capital and profit. Now you write in the T method like how we write in a ledger. Closing capital 3,50,000, drawings 40,000 on the debit side, and on the credit side opening capital 2 lakhs, additional capital 70,000. Now find the balances at the end. On your debit side you get about 3,90,000, and on your credit side you get about 2,70,000. Whichever side is lesser, there we get a balance, but here we don't write it as balance. Instead, now we have to find the balance on both the sides. Whichever side we have lesser balance, there we get a balance, but we do not write it as balance. If the balance is found on the credit side, it would be termed as profit, whereas if we get a balance on the debit side, it would be termed as loss. Now on the debit side we have 3,90,000, on the credit side we have 2,70,000. 3,90,000 minus 2,70,000 will give you 1,20,000, which is on the credit side. If it falls on the credit side, then it is profit. So you can write it as profit. After doing this in the rough work, you can directly post it into your format. It will be very easy for you, so you will not make any mistake.